For this recipe, you need aluminum foil, a blender, sodium bisulfate, which is a pool pH decreaser, and a way to crush that sodium bisulfate. First step is to tear them into pieces and then crumple them into loose balls and stack them in your blender. Blend it, and then when space clears up, and then add more of the aluminum. All of my aluminum foil has been blended in right now, and I'm going to blend it for like 1 more minute. So this is like the grain size that is good enough for this Thermite, which is like surprisingly big. Like, you could keep grinding it and it would make it like a bit easier to light. The weight ratio of this recipe is 1:1, so 1 unit aluminum, 1 unit sodium bisulfate. This batch of making aluminum from blender made 30 grams. This is 30 grams of aluminum. Now I have 10 grams of sodium bisulfate, 10 grams of aluminum powder, and 20 grams left in the blender. Now we're going to crush the sodium bisulfate. And we can add them together now. After I'm done mixing those together, it looks like this, and it's done, the Thermite. Some of the powder likes to stay at the bottom, so as you're pouring it, like, pour it so that they're mixing equally. And this thing likes to be squished, like you press it into whatever container you put it in, so it takes up less space. In order to light this Thermite, you need a sparkler or some other pyrotechnic composition that burns very hot. And then I would crush up a sparkler, put that powder on, and then light that powder, and then it would light the Thermite. You cannot use magnesium ribbon, and well, if it worked, then it would be very hard to do that. I found that as soon as it comes close, then like it stops burning. So if I buried one like 0.5 centimeters below my Thermite, then like it wouldn't burn completely. It wouldn't burn that part underneath, and you cannot use just a regular blowtorch.